Phrasal verbs with put. Put aside. To ignore or forget something. Usually a feeling or a difference of opinion. Many people are hoping that America and North Korea can put aside their differences and have useful meetings in the future. This means people hope that the two countries can forget the problems of the past and work together for peace. Put aside, meaning number 2. To save something or keep it available to use. I put aside money every month for when I retire. This means every month I save money so I can use it when I stop working. I put aside time every morning to do yoga. I keep time in the morning just for doing yoga. Put off doing something. Many people put off doing their taxes until the last minute. But if you do this, tax time becomes very stressful. This means people plan to do something at a later date, tomorrow, next week, etc. But soon there is no time, your taxes are due, and the situation becomes very stressful. Please like and subscribe if you are enjoying this video. Put somebody away. To send someone to prison, to a mental hospital, etc. Alan was put away for 10 years for stealing from his job. This means Alan was sent to jail for 10 years. Put something away. This means to put something in the place where it is kept because you have finished using it. In Canada, we put our barbecues away for the winter, usually in our garage. During the cold winter, we keep our barbecue in the garage because we won't use it. Put away, meaning number 3. To save money to spend later. This is similar in meaning to put aside. I put away $1,200 every month for when I retire. This means every month I save $1,200 so I can use it when I stop working. Oliver puts $50 away every week. He's saving up to buy a new computer. Oliver is saving money every week until he has enough to buy a computer. Put away, meaning 4. To eat or drink large quantities of something. I was so hungry last night, I put away a whole large pizza by myself. This means I ate a large quantity of pizza. Put back. To return something to its usual place or to the place where it was before it was moved. After you use the TV remote, please put it back on the coffee table. Please return the remote to the place it was before you used it. Put something behind you. Try to forget about an unpleasant experience and think about the future. I just ended a bad relationship, but I will put that experience behind me and focus on being happy. This means I will forget about the unpleasant relationship and think about the future. Put off or put something off. To change something to a later time or date. Brian had to put off his trip to Hawaii because his mother became ill. This means Brian had to change the date of his vacation because of his mother's poor health. Put up with. To accept someone or something that is annoying, unpleasant, etc., without complaining. My neighbor is so noisy. He often plays loud music late at night. I'm not going to put up with it any longer. I'm calling our landlord tomorrow morning. I'm not going to accept this unpleasant situation anymore.